Come with us to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of the Southwest, or the Western coastline, or Hawaii, Alaska, Canada. Use your imagination because we give you choices. For instance, you can create your own itinerary or join an already established tour, like the Grand Circle Tour. Tour with us and choose to have an intimate experience, since our regular tours are limited to only 12 people. However, if you have a large group who want to travel together, we can customize an exclusive trip for all of you. Give it a choice. Wouldn't you prefer the comfort of customized luxury touring vehicles? We do. Choose to have some of the best, top-notch guides in the Southwest, making your tour enjoyable and informational. Choose to have unique and customized trips, which create warm memories you can savor for years. Choose Southern Utah Scenic Tours.